A lot of people think lawyers love to speak in front of people, and that is why I'm a finance lawyer, because I do not love to speak in front of people. But I thank you so much for this, and I'm so grateful to be here today. I read an article a few years ago positing that one of the reasons that women leave law firms before making partner is that when they look around, they don't see senior women leaders with lives to which they aspire. Ouch, right? My hope is that this is less a moral judgment on the life and career that I've chosen, and more an issue with women leaders not being comfortable showing vulnerability in a professional setting. And talk about the women who've spoken before me and vulnerability. That's the type of example that I'm talking about. And I think the fear is, why would we show vulnerability? Why would we show cracks in our veneers when we already face so many challenges in the workplace? I love the lyrics to Leonard Cohen's song, Anthem. Ring the bells that can still ring. Forget your perfect offering. There's a crack in everything. That is how the light gets in. Getting divorced forced my hand. In the beginning, I shared custody of my kids. But then I became a full-time single mom and a full-time partner in an international law firm. There were many days when I felt like I was holding things together by my fingernails. When I finally gave up on my perfect offering, a weird thing happened. I began to feel successful. I liked myself a lot more. My confidence grew, and I had more tangible success in my career. I was happier. My kids are now, I said 20, on Friday he'll be 20 and 21, and my nest is mostly empty. In the past 2 years, I haven't really traveled for work, and I find myself with what I think is called free time. And with that time, I have committed to being more intentional with my personal and financial capital, to narrow my focus on the values that are important to me, and to divine my highest and best use. I heard the best advice on a podcast about that the other day. Glennon Doyle said, "In a world that will tell you that you should not be heartbroken, there is the other way. You run as fast as you can towards what breaks your heart, because that is where you will find your people and your purpose." Well, those of you who have run with me know that I am no sprinter, but I'm going to keep running towards what breaks my heart, and I will be braver and stronger than I think by telling and listening to truths in search for greater connection.